Hello.
Yeah, ma, this bag is
How
going
are you?
to...
You're getting big. Hi. Hi. Did you say hi? Hi.
His good clothes are not...
Do you like the camera? Wave. Hello. Oops. Hello. Oops. What happened? Why? Are you enjoying yourself with those hiccups? What? What? Oh, you're getting big. Are you a big boy now? You're big. Oh, say hello, everybody. Hello. Hello. Oh, what happened? What? Could you kick your feet? Let me see. Could you kick your feet? No? No kicking? Why? Why?
Let's see ya.
Why?
Here, like this.
Oh.
Put it down.
Oh.
Hold it like that.
You're talking? What do you say? What are you saying? What? What?
Now here.
Oh. Oh. What?
Do it on the ground like this. Look. Look.
Oh.
Like this. Watch, mommy. Like this.
Oh.
Put it on the ground like this.
Oh. 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 What's the matter? Huh?
Okay. Thanks for dinner, Mom. It's good.
You're gonna smile. You're gonna smile. Let me move over this way and get this. Hello.
What are they doing now?
Collecting sticks and
Okay.
going on a tour of the backyard and stuff.
Hey, Noah.
It's like an hour now.
Hello.
Should be fine.
Hello. Oh, it's a cute. Hello. What do you say? Ah, goo 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 goo. Ah, goo 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 goo. Goo 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 goo. No burp. No burp. Burp burp burp.
I feel like his arm is jammed in here.
Oh. Shall we take it out?
I don't think he needs it. He's not gonna... Just afraid he's not comfortable. He can't like stretch out his arms.
Well, here, take it out. Just push
Yeah.
his finger out.
Well, no, I don't mean that. I mean that these funky things. Come here. Oh, yeah. Let's get rid of this. Yeah. Okay. Now you can lay down. Oh, there you go. Yeah. You can spread out a little. He's trying to suck his thumb.
I guess why they...
Oh.
To get 'em.
Compartments of the black duffel
Little bag.
in the back seat of the car.
Yeah.